I'm so excited because I finally got my first ever mystery jewelry jar. Sobrang kinikilig ako dito, guys. Well, finally. Ito na. Mostly nakikita ko ay puro beads, but meron ding mga earrings, I mean mga golds. I'm so excited. So let's get into it. And by the way, before I forgot, this side is for I would wear and this side is for I would not wear. So let's begin. Wow. Ito na siya. God. Okay. So first thing, we have this hair tie. This is so cool, actually. I think I would wear this kasi may need ako magtali. And then, oh, this is a cute little duck. Definitely, this is for Kip. And a hoop. So I hope meron siyang match. Look at this one. So pretty. Look at the details. Meron siyang mga beads dyan. This is cute. I think I would wear this. Let's see if there's a match. And then, oh, a hair clip with the star details and with the hair. With the hair. Oh my god, there's a hair. This is a gold hair clip. I think I would wear this. Next, is this. It's a choker. It's a lace. This is cute, actually. I think I would wear this. And look at this baggie. Let's see what's inside. There's a tissue inside. Whoa, it's a silver necklace with a fish pendant. This is so cute. I love silver. So cute. I would wear. Oh my god. Look at this one. A furl. Suot ko sa mga formal occasion. Definitely, I would wear. Oh, another baggie. Let's open this. Ulan na dito, guys. Malakas siya. Look at this one. I don't know what this is. It's kinda cute. I think I would wear this. Another. Look, guys. Meron tayong pink dito and then this one yellow. I don't know what is this, a dragon or could someone explain kung ano to? Yeah. These two are so cute. I would wear. Next, another hair clip. It's a little brown bear. It's so cute. Ba't wala naman akong baby na? Parang baby kasi siya, oh.
Ito na pa yung duck.
Parang ang dilim na. Ang dilim na sa labas, guys. So, nagbukas na ako ng ilaw. Kanina kasi natural lighting lang tayo. So, moving on. It's another bear earring. This is so cute. Pambata na siya. So, I would not wear. Maybe my daughter will wear that. This is, wow, this is cute. Look at that. Feathery earring with a little, ano po, wala po anong tawag sa ganito, but it's cute. I think I would wear this. So, tingnan natin kung makikita natin yung match niya. Oh! Look at this chain necklace. Literal na chain. Dahil ito yung pendant niya. This is cool. Definitely, I would wear. Dami ka na I would wear. Dalawa pa lang yung would not wear. Next, it's a leaf earring. This is cute. Not tarnish. I would not wear. Oh my god. Look at these earrings. I'm a fan of this kind of earrings. Look at that, guys. It's so gorgeous. Definitely, I would wear. Another earrings that I love. Oh my god. Look at the details. It has a bead. So pretty. So, dyan ka lang. And this one, another earring. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. Meron pa siyang shell, seashell na design. This is so nice. Look at that. So pretty. 100% wear. A pendant or a charm, maybe. Oh my god, I love this vintage style earring. Sabi ko na nga, dami ko nakikita ang earrings eh. Mahilig naman ako sa earrings. So, this is definitely a good one jar. Sana mahanap ko yung match. Diyan ka lang. Saan ko kaya makikita yung mga match nila? Anyway, another beaded necklace. This is so nice. And this is good or great pag nasa beach ka. I would wear. This is nice. Dreamcatcher keychain. You like this?
Ayoko, gusto
Ayaw
ko
niya
to.
daw.
Ang cute kasi nitong bebe.
Ang girly and baby. Ayaw niya, so will not keep that. Next, bead and pearl bracelet with a charm. Look at that. It's so pretty. I like the color.
So pretty, darling.
Purple. Ano color to? Purple?
Purple, kasi alam ko to. Gusto ko na itong berry, papasuot ko sa'yo to eh. Kasi cute
Okay,
cover niya yung
definitely wear this. Next, I see something gold in here. It's a bangle or bingle. Look at that, guys. So gorgeous. I definitely wear this. There's another one. This is so pretty. Twisted style bingle. I think it's a set. Or, I don't know. But this is cute. Another one. Bingle. Look how pretty. The last time na nagsuot ako nito is nung high school ako. So, I definitely would wear. Another beaded bracelet with a charm, cute charm leaf. This is so cute. I would wear. Oh, next, another hoop earrings na walang match. I love this one. Mahilig talaga ako sa mga ganitong earrings. So, would wear. Look at this one. It's a ring. I think it's a... gawa siya sa resin. I think. I would not wear this. But it's cute. Another little earrings. Earring. So, wala pa yung much. Earring lang. So, this little cute earrings. Would wear. This chain bracelet na walang lock. It's broken. But this is cute. This is cute. I think I would wear. Ayusin ko na lang. Pwede na yun. Kailangan lang ng konting... Ooh! Oh my G. This is heavy. And oh my god. I love this. It's a chunky chain necklace. This is so pretty. I would wear. Another beaded bracelet with a bead charm on it. This is cute, but I would not wear. Oh my god, stop. Look at this, guys. Look how gorgeous. Look at the details. And the color, I super love. Definitely 100% would wear. Look at that. Chararida! Grabe, nakakawala ng stress to ah. Look at this cute earring with no match. I would not wear. Oh, I found a match. Not really my style. I would not wear. Oh my god. Look at this. I super love this. I would wear. Another tiny chain necklace, but tarnished already. I would not wear. Another necklace. Oh my god. This is cute. Look at the pendant. Isn't this nice? This is not my style, but pwede kong bigay sa aking daughter. I'll wear. Oh, I found a match. The bears. The bears. This is cute. Little bear earrings. I would not wear. Another bracelet. Bead bracelet. Ito yung bihila. Yan. Marami akong ganito eh, dati. Marble yung style niya. I would not wear. Another bracelet, but it's broken. I would not wear that. Oh my god. Look at that. This is so cute. Super tiny chain bracelet. It's a kind of friendship bracelet. This is cute. Definitely would wear. I'm so happy. Oh my god. This is totally tarnished. It's a long necklace. Look at that. You can double it like that. I don't know. I would not wear. Cute. It's a ring. A plastic ring. I would not wear. Next, another ring. A tarnished ring. I would not wear. Oh.
How?
This is cool.
Cool.
A silver rectangle necklace.
Okay.
It has a match. bracelet.
Oh,
This is cute. I would wear. Another beaded bracelet. Ooh. Pwede ko siyang i-match dito actually. Let's see. I don't think so. But I would wear. I like the color. I would wear. Oh my god. This gold fin. Elephant pin. This is so cute. Look at that. I would wear. Keychain. A heart keychain. Okay, I would do that. A charm or a pendant. This is cute. Wait. I saw something. Ooh. Look at this and this. Pwede. Okay, I would wear. Oh my god. This is a clip-on earring.
flower.
It's a rose. This is cute but tarnished. I would not wear. Oh my god. I found a match. Yes.
Wow.
Look at this one.
This
Look at these guys. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. It's long. This is a beaded necklace.
Yes.
I would not wear. Not my style anymore. Another one. This is cute. But I would not wear. What the? Look at this. It's a rhinestone bracelet. It's so pretty. I love this. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Definitely would wear.
Next.
Oh. Let me put it back in this baggie.
Bugs.
Okay. Next. Another baggie. Oh, it comes with a two kinds of earrings. Oh my god. This is cute. Earrings. Earrings, but it's tarnished. It's cute.
Diyan si father, oh.
But hindi naman masyadong halata na tarnish siya. Pwede naman siguro linisan. So, I would wear this. I'm a fan. And these little earrings. Look at this. This is too little for me. I would not wear this. And we're getting to the bottom of this jar. This is something. Oh. Wait a minute. Hold on.
No, there.
Oh my god, this is so cute. An anchor earring, the bead.
Wow, patcha beats
Black
to,
bead.
mommy, eh.
This is cute.
This is cute.
Definitely would wear. At ito yung nag-iisang watch.
Bear.
It's Charles Jordan. I think it's for men.
Watch to, mommy.
But it's cute.
Tinitingnan ko yung elepante kasi ganun.
Charles Jordan. I'm not familiar with the brand, but this is cute. I would give this.
Mommy,
Okay.
another.
Oh my god. Okay, later.
My God.
Another resin ring. Like, yung kanina, na nandito.
No, may rain. Sasamit ka na to.
This one. These two little resin ring. So
Sorry.
cute, but I would not wear.
It's so cute.
Oh, I found the match of these cute silver hoops. There you go. Ta-da! Would wear that. Oh, another hoops.
Another hoop.
Definitely would wear that. A pearl earrings, but not the same size. would wear. If you find a match, would wear. A clip-on earring. This is cute. Orange rose. Not wear, not my style. Oh my god, this is cute. Oh. A little tarnish, but deep cleaning is lucky. I would wear. Another clip-on earring. Clip. Another clip-on earring. This is cute, but not my style anymore. A heart. And the bead. This is cute. I would not wear. A stud earring.
Si Mama.
This is cute, but I would not wear. Another ring. It's cute, but I would not wear. Oh, I found the match of this orange rose clip-on earring. I would not wear that. Another earring. Oh, this is so nice. Wow. Definitely wear that. Not having much. Another earring. It's cute, but it's tarnished. I would not wear. It's a cute bead earring. I would wear. Oh, I found a match. I would definitely wear. I would not wear. It's a tiny fur earring. I would not wear. Cute little stud earring. I think it's a birdstone earring. It's actually not my birdstone. I would not wear. Oh, this clip-on rose earring. This is cute but tarnished. I will not wear. Yes, I think this is a matching jewelry with this. Look, this is a clip-on butterfly earring. Would not wear. It's tarnished. And this one, this is cute. I would wear. This one, black pearl earring. I would not wear. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Another bead earring. I don't like the color, but it's cute. I would not wear. A stone. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng stone to, but this is cute. Not keeping.
I want this one.
Oh my god. Another rhinestone. I don't know if this is a bracelet, but it's broken. It's not broken after all. Ito pala siya. It's like that. Oh my god. They look the same. Oh my god. This is definitely would wear. A friendship bracelet. This is cute, but I would not wear. I found a match of the red hoop earring. This is cute, but I would not wear.
Zero.
Oh my god, I found a match of the vintage earring. I'm so excited. Look at that, guys. It's so gorgeous. So vintage. I love vintage things. I would 200% wear this. And this too. On this side.
Wait. Ay, mana-diamond to.
Rhinestone.
Mana-diamond lang to, Mama.
This is cute.
Mana-diamond to, Mama.
It's cute. It's a rhinestone earring. Matching in the bracelet. Where is the bracelet? Where is the bracelet? Oh my god. I think this is a set.
Oh my god, it's a diamond.
Definitely would wear. A broken little hoop earring. Would not wear. The black pearl earring. Would not wear. Oh, I found the match of this pearl. So cute. I can match this with this necklace. I found the match of this rhinestone square earrings. Yeah, I would wear. Oh my god, this is cute.
This is cute. Everything is fine.
Oh my god. We're getting to the bottom of this jar. Okay.
Oh,
buttons. Oh, my buttons. Okay. Oh my god, this is cute. It has letter C pendant. Stand for my nickname. I think I would wear. It's cute. And this one, I found the partner. It's so gorgeous. And this hoop. Ta-da! Match. Would wear. It's a silver with a cross pendant. Kinda tarnished, but deep cleaning is the key. Would wear. This one and this one. This is cute, little bead. Oh, earrings. I would wear. Stop. This is so gorgeous. But it's tangled. Let me untangle this one. Okay, after 10 years of untangling this necklace, this is so cute. A rhinestone pendant. Look at that, guys. This is so pretty. I love this. Ooh. I would wear this, definitely. Okay, we're down to the last. Earring studs. This is a pendant. This is a same, I think. Okay. This is for gift. I found the match of this little hoop. Earrings. There you go. Okay, would wear. A little rose gold ring. I would not wear. Oh, found the match of this stud earring. This is cute, but not my style. Okay, found the match of this pearl earring. Where are you? Okay. Definitely would wear for formal occasion, for events. Oh my god, this is so cute. A rhinestone earrings. Look at that. Sparkling earrings. Wait. You see that, guys? It's so pretty. Definitely would wear. This one, I don't know kung ano to. A half pearl. That wear. A birthstone earring. Okay. A stud. Okay, that wear. And the last one. Oh my god, wait. I think I found the match of these tiny pearl earrings. Cute. I think I would wear. And this one, it doesn't have a match because look, the size is different from this one, so definitely I would not wear. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Looking forward to open another mystery jewelry jar. I hope soon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.